How to use split screen on Google Pixel 8. So here I'm using split screen to watch YouTube and browse my Gmail.
To do this, but would you mind submitting yourself to a test of your deductive reasoning skills?
So to do that, first you want to make sure there's two applications are open. So I'm gonna open my YouTube and Gmail application. So first open the YouTube and then close it and then open the Gmail application. Now go to all the tabs. Now go to the first app that you want to split. So click on the YouTube application over here and then click on split screen. Then click on the other app that you want to choose. So you would have other apps here. I'm gonna click on the Gmail application. Now it shows the two different applications split half and half. You can even grab this middle line and then drag it to change the ratio of the screen for each application. I'm gonna keep it in the middle. You could even double tap on the white line to switch between the two applications. So if I want to have Google on top, I can double click here, then it will switch it for me. Now I can watch YouTube while browsing my Gmail. That's it for the video and thanks for watching.